Mrs. Gurwara and myself, we are working in public schools, St. Paul Darjeeling, Shevur Nainital, Delhi College Indore. Both of us used to think, today I am sharing with the parents, first time, I can't stop it. Both of us used to think school education is given in those schools only for elite society. Now both of us have not come from elite society. We have studied in normal schools, and after having the experiences in those schools, we decided that why not to have a school which is for middle class people, upper middle class, average. Main thing is the child is child. We say that children of the Lord. And we started a small boarding school in Wahabnagar in a rented building. The journey was full of ups and downs as it's happened when you go against the wave. We started the boarding school in Wahabnagar, Sikh village, and then we shifted to Pet Bashirabad. 3.5 acre campus we have taken there. The purpose was the children should have the place to play games. We found that that place was not sufficient. And our search for big place started. We have even gone to Nagpur. There we wanted to start the boarding school. Whether it is Nagpur or Hyderabad or Shadnagar, main thing was children of the Lord. Somehow we got this beautiful campus. We started the boarding school here, but we started the boarding school in Wahabnagar, Sikh village, and then we shifted to Pet Bashirabad. 3.5 acre campus we have taken there. The purpose was the children should have the place to play games. We found that that place was not sufficient. And our search for big place started. We have even gone to Nagpur. There we wanted to start the boarding school. Whether it is Nagpur or Hyderabad, Shadnagar, main thing was children of the Lord. Somehow we got this beautiful campus. We started the boarding school here. But it was not an easy task, once again, because we people don't believe in marks-oriented education. We don't believe the children of class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 should start only for two streams, engineering and medicine. All the children are born different talent as given by the God. When we shifted here from Sikh village to this place, we had 500 children in 3 buildings, rented buildings. The council wanted us to have our own campus, and they have given the time 3 years. What I want to share, future is mystery, past is history. We have to take care of present. Public school means where academics, games and activities, they are given equal stress. These are the 4 objectives we decided when the school was very young. Only class 4 was the highest class, but there was a vision. We never knew that school will be in this campus, but we knew that it will be in some campus. We have written in the prospectus, it aims to infuse in our children the ideal of Indian culture, bring about a balanced personality, integrated personality, to inculcate in children sense of duty and patriotism. This was the dream Mrs. Gurwara and I had when school was in a rented building and maximum class was 5. I want to share my heartfelt lines those days when I used to see the small children of class 5, 4. Whenever we used to visit any family or we used to meet any adults, I'm sorry to say, I used to hear lot of criticism about India. I am going back down the memory lane of 1984 and 85. India, where we are born, our country, where we are educated. Why people remember Christ, Muhammad, Guru Nanak, Ram? The thought came, I am asking you also, if temple was not there of Ram and Krishna, if Gurdwara was not there, if church was not there, if mosque was not there, we would not have remembered these great personalities. We call them God. How to inculcate the feeling for patriotism, love for the fellow being, when we have only 150 students, the idea of India formation that germinated in our mind. And we included India formation of our first annual day on the open space available around the school. So my dear parents, this was the vision Mrs. Gurwara and I had
in 1984-85 in a rented building, and it is not I and Mrs. Gurwara, but the teachers, the founder teachers who have felicitated me today. It is all because of them. It is all because of the teachers. It is all because of the domestic staff. It is all because of the office staff. I am able to fulfill your dream. Your dream. नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे, तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है? मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी. Thank you very much.